Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be using the blender in a bit of a different way to make a bulk batch of garam masala. We're going to start off with some fresh spices, toast them up really nicely, and in no time we're going to turn that into an awesome spice mix. You can use garam masala for all sorts of things, of course, to spice up your curries or to use in a marinade or dry rub on meats or fish. The sky's the limit and this one is so easy and quick to do. I'm going to show you how to do it right now, so let's get straight into it. So I've got all of my whole spices here measured out, and I've got a heavy based pan on the stove coming up to a low temperature. I'm just going to put all of these in the pan together, toast them off really gently until they become nice and fragrant. Then I'll take them off the heat, let them cool down completely, and get them into the blender jug ready to blend up. Into the dry pan, add around 20 green cardamom pods, a quarter of a cup of whole coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of whole black peppercorns, 3 cinnamon sticks, 8 to 10 cloves, 3 whole star anise, 2 dried bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, and 3 black cardamom pods. Once the spices have cooled down, pour them straight into the blender jug, along with half a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg and a quarter of a teaspoon of ground mace. Place the lid on and blend on nut mode for around 30 seconds or until it turns into a fine powder. When the spices have finished blending, pour them into a clean, airtight container. This will keep up to 3 months in a cool, dark place. How easy is that? I've now got a really great supply of fresh garam masala. The smell is so amazing. It's fresh and fragrant, and I'm really excited to use it in my dishes. These Luvele vacuum canisters are perfect for storing spices like this. If you use the hand pump as well to vac seal these canisters, then it will help to keep this garam masala really nice and fresh for even longer. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to see more of our Luvele life recipes and other ways to use these appliances at home. Let us know what kind of spice mixes you're making in the blender at home in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another Luvele life recipe.